This is the upstairs loft space and the stairs. All of the windows have window sills. This is the flex space for the office with the additional lighting. Access to the attic. There's no attic flooring. Lots of outlets. I have my own thermostat up here, so Carolina and I don't have to fight on temperature. This is going to be my bedroom. Lots of outlets, plenty of closet space. Spare bedroom. Spare bedroom. And bathroom. Storage in the bathroom. Tall shower head. This is the second floor. Front door. Half bath. Coat closet. Stairs to the upstairs. Kitchen. Granite countertops with outlets. Stainless steel appliances. Crown molding on the cabinets. More outlets. This is the dining area. Carol-Ann's thermostat. Pantry. Laundry room. Plenty of room for washer and dryer. And a little table with a bar for hanging clothes. Garage. Not painted. No motor. Water heaters out there too. And then we have Carol-Ann's living room.
It's massive.
It is massive. Should we upload this to YouTube? Oh, yes. Lots of windows, and nothing is going to be built. This is all going to be green space. And our property line goes back there where the sod ends. Back door to the yard. And then here's the master bedroom. It's humongous. Plenty of room, lots of lighting. There's playground and dog park. Thank you. Then here's the master bathroom. Double sinks. All of the bathrooms have this really nice laminate. We would have preferred granite, but that's okay. Toilet.
Carol-Ann's throne.
Yes. And then the bath is just like the one upstairs. this as a window for inserting a standing shower there. And then here is the master closet. It's humongous. This is a room in and of itself with shelves.